Disclaimer. This video was generated using ChatGPT and is designed to help examinees prepare for the upcoming civil service exam. It is not affiliated with the Civil Service Commission (CSC) or any government agency. If you found this video helpful, please follow, save, and share it for the next part. Your support allows us to create more educational content for future examinees. Best of luck to all future passers.
Civil Service Exam Reviewer Verbal Ability Reading Comprehension, 76 to 100, Part 4.
76 spot show. The children whispered excitedly as they waited for the magician to begin the show, their eyes wide with anticipation. A. Simile. B. Hyperbole. C. Imagery. D. Irony.
Answer C. Imagery.
77. She answered the difficult question with ease, a calm certainty settling in her voice. She lacked confidence. B. She was competent and confident under pressure. C. She was unprepared but lucky. D. She had rehearsed extensively. B. She was competent and confident under pressure. 78. Though the path was rocky and steep, the hikers pressed on, undeterred by the worsening weather. A. Resilient. B. Indifferent. C. Reckless. D. Apathetic. Answer A. Resilient. The loud applause that followed the speech was spontaneous and thunderous, leaving the speaker visibly moved. A. The applause was planned. B. The audience was confused. C. The speech exceeded expectations. D. They were under obligation to clap. Answer C. The speech exceeded expectations. 80. Rain lashed against the windows, yet the hearth's warm glow enveloped the room in a quiet serenity. A. Hostile. B. Apathetic. C. Claustrophobic. D. Tranquil.
Answer D. Tranquil.
Without a word, she handed over the envelope and walked away, her face unreadable. A. Detached. B. Joyful. C. Melancholic. D. Indignant. Answer A. Detached. 82. As he entered the courtroom, every eye turned, the atmosphere charged with a mix of tension and curiosity. He was a central and possibly controversial figure. B. was a minor witness. C. he had already spoken before. D. was unknown to most. Answer A. He was a central and possibly controversial figure. The newly implemented policy drew polarized opinions. Some hailed it as revolutionary, others decried it as flawed. A. Indifferent. Lukewarm. C. Divisive. D. Unanimous. Answer C. Device 4. The normally reserved student delivered a passionate argument, leaving the panel both impressed and introspective. A. He behaved out of character. B. He followed the crowd. C. He failed to persuade. D. Avoided confrontation. Answer A. He behaved out of character. The signs of the impending failure were subtle at first, then grew increasingly evident, yet no corrective action was taken. A. Negligence. B. Resolution. C. Suspense. D. Irony. Answer A. Negligence. Her speech was both eloquent and assertive, winning over even her harshest critics. A. Sarcastic and aggressive, elegant and persuasive. C. Fast and emotional. D. Unclear and timid. Answer B. Elegant and persuasive. 87. The monument, though weathered by centuries, still stood proudly against the skyline. A. Strength and legacy. B. Ruin and decay. C. Modernization. D. Isolation and defeat. Answer A. Strength and legacy. He welcomed criticism not as a threat, but as a tool for refinement. Passive. B. Defensive. C. Arrogant. Open-minded. D. Open-minded. 89. The manager's feedback was framed positively, yet the underlying message hinted at dissatisfaction. A. Passive-aggressive, B. Excited, C. Encouraging, D. Neutral. Answer, passive-aggressive. 90. Even in the face of failure, she maintained her composure and refused to assign blame. A. Integrity, indifference, C. Frustration, D. Denial.
Answer A, integrity.
Answer 91. The novel's plot unfolds gradually, demanding patience and attention from the reader. It lacks direction. B. It is complex and deliberate. C. It is rushed. D. It is predictable. Answer B. It is complex and deliberate. The speaker masterfully balanced humor with seriousness, ensuring the audience was both entertained and reflective. A. Satire. B. Juxtaposition. C. Persuasion. Irony.
Answer B, juxtaposition.
The project's failure was not due to lack of effort, but to miscommunication and conflicting goals. A. Poor communication. B. Unrealistic deadline. C. Insufficient funds. D. Laziness. A. Poor communication. The artist's minimalist style forced viewers to confront the emptiness and silence within themselves. A. Confusion and chaos. B. Stillness and introspection. C. Disgust and revulsion. D. Joy and noise. Stillness and introspection. 95. Her laughter, light and unforced, broke the tension in the room like sunlight through storm clouds. Simile, personification. C. Alliteration. D. Metaphor. Answer A. Simile. Although the evidence was circumstantial, his steady demeanor and unwavering alibi swayed the jury. A. His calm behavior and consistent story. The absence of a witness. C. The judge's advice. D. The lawyer's argument. Answer A. His calm behavior and consistent story. The committee's decision, though unpopular, was grounded in long-term sustainability. A. Short-term benefits. B. Long-term impact. C. Public approval. D. Personal gain. Answer B. Long-term impact. The director's vision for the film was daring, blending realism with abstract symbolism. A. Confusing. B. Experimental. C. Conventional. D. Traditional.
Answer B, experimental.
A stepping stone to success. Motivational. Critical. C. Apathetic. D. Defeated.
Answer A, motivational.
As the final chapter closed, a sense of quiet closure settled over the reader, like the last note of a lullaby. A. Peace. B. Suspense. C. Regret. D. Confusion.
Answer A, peace. How did you do? Share your score out of 25 in the comments. Let's see who got the highest. Want more? Watch the whole part of the Civil Service Exam Verbal.Ability Reviewer 1 to 100 on my YouTube playlist. Don't miss it. Subscribe now to my channel, John Ryan Magalona, and stay updated by following me on all my social media accounts for more tips and reviewers. Interested in getting a printed copy of this reviewer? Click the link or tap the yellow basket to order your hard copy today. Prefer a soft copy instead? Support the reviewer and buy me a coffee. Email me at jrsmbusinessinquiries@gmail.com to request your copy. Thank you and good luck.